Got this in the mail today. Nameless. I like this brand and it's really cool, and this is what I got. Look at those babies. Damn. Really nice. Mid-pipe. I only had muffler deletes, and this will complete most of it. Look how fat that is. Damn. But yeah, and it came with the bits. All those. And a couple of stickers. And a cozy. Hell yeah. Okay, got it installed. Look at that. I had to do some custom work. I had to cut this out. So that's fine. And I'll go over here. I'll show you down here. And there it is. It goes all the way along there. And that connects to right there. It's the OEM exhaust. I had to do some modifications, but it wasn't too bad. Let's hear what this sounds like. Holy shit. There you have it. That was my install of the Nameless mid-pipe on my 2008 Outback XT. Sounds pretty loud. Sounds pretty good. Inside the cab though is kind of loud, but I might get used to it. I love that Subi rumble. Most of us do, don't we? Well, thanks for watching.